We're going to the post office because I have something special in the mail, so we're gonna go check it out. All right, let's see what I got in the mail. I got a couple things. So I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while, and it's a ways away from me. I haven't been in that town in a while. So I picked up some black and tan because I love this. This is like my favorite. So I got a couple of yards of the black and tan homespun material. See what it says right there. Oh, I probably can't. It's backwards. But anyway, I got that from Hobby Lobby. I just had to order it because, like I said, I just don't go there, you know, in that town very often, which it looks like next week for a doctor's appointment, I'm going to have to. So maybe I'll stop and get more. I'll get something else. The other thing is I got some fun paper from Zazzle. So I wanted to share it with you. So let's see what we got here. All right, I got Christmassy stuff because it's coming. I don't want to admit it, but it is. My son's in Colorado and he said it snowed or flurried, I guess, there a few days ago. So it's coming, and they usually get it before, you know, we do, and it usually sticks around till, you know, probably it's still there now, who knows. But anyway, this is the paper. It's got sheep in the barn, a little night scene. Let's see, what else have we got? What else? Oh, another little lamb. Oh my gosh. And the lights, can you see the lights? So all right, so I got those. I'm going to be doing some projects with those. I've been saving up some trays and some cutting boards that I've been finding. So hopefully some of these will fit. So you get 3 of each when you order from them, which is fine because I'll probably use them on something. And I probably have stuff in my stash that I probably shouldn't be ordering more, is what I'm saying. Like, I've got plenty. But I love, you know, when they pop up, I'm like, oh, so cute. I got to get that, you know. And when it's on sale, I just got to do it. All right. Happy booth day. Today is booth day, and I really should be getting stuff ready to go down to my Happy Trails booth, and I am not. I'm opening a box from Whatnot that I purchased from one of my friends on there. Her name is Minerva, and I'll put a link to her page, I think it's called, down in the description box for you to check out. I love going in and visiting Minerva. She is a Mainer, and she lives down in Trenton Bar Harbor area where I used to live. So I like chatting with her sometimes about different things. We also have a granddaughter. Our granddaughters are about the same age, right around there. So I like to, you know, we talk Grammy stuff sometimes. So I like to chat with Minerva, and she's just so awesome and fun. She's got fun stuff, and she's fun. So I really love watching her. And I buy stuff on occasion, which I did. So I went into her show, and sometimes she sends me stuff for my granddaughter because, you know, we share that. And so she sent me a little pencil, little Santa pencil with an eraser, which I thought is really cute. And I'll give that to my granddaughter. She'll love that. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. I picked up this set of plates. I really like these. Hand painted, alcohol proof in Japan, it says. So I just thought they were really pretty. They're just little plates. They're all different on the back, or not all different, but they're stamped differently, which is kind of strange. But I thought they were really pretty. I liked the old vintage look of them, and they're just really pretty. I'm thinking I have a couple of little cabinets that I think these would look really good, just kind of displayed in my booth or something like that. So I just thought they were cute. This one I love. This is a sifter, rusty crusty sifter. Love the patina on this. This is great. So I picked that up. I picked up these 2 brass candlesticks. Beautiful candlesticks. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell those or keep those. I don't know. This thing, I think I'm definitely going to do like a Christmas theme of greenery and stuff like that in there. I think that's going to look really good for Christmas time. So she also sent me a bunch of little things in here. Some wine corks, a little ping pong ball. That's now on the floor. I'll pick you up later. A little flower. And what's this thing here? Some kind of a little clip. Oh, a little hair clip. That's cute. So she sent me those, and then I picked this up too. It's just a mold, but I love the patina on it. And I love to get little molds to put in my booth because I do sell them, and they're great for bowl fillers. So, and you know, she sent me these. I like doing projects with these too. I have some that I've done before. I've seen that, I haven't tried it yet, but I've seen one where you can make a Christmas tree with the wine corks by stacking them. You know, do the 5 and then 4 and then 3 and then 2 and 1. Anyway, so I thought that would be fun. A little pin. That's really cute. And then a little baggie full of jewelry. I did not order this. Minerva just likes to send little gifts, and my granddaughter loves to dress up and do stuff like that. So we'll see if there's anything she wants in here, and if not, maybe I can use it in a project, or maybe they're sellable that I can sell them in my booth or something. But that's what I got. Wasn't a lot, but I loved what I got so much. So again, if you're interested in Whatnot, I'll leave a link down there. I actually have a couple of shows coming up. I don't do Whatnot a lot. I'm just so busy with other things. But I had a raid train person that was starting up a raid train, and I told her that I would join. She asked, and I said yes, because I have a lot of this, craft supplies. So she wanted to do a craft supply raid train, and I have a ton, and I've been picking up some really cool stuff, some stamps and things like that from Stamping Up I've been finding, and I've got a ton of stuff. So I need to start going through it and getting it posted. So that one's in October, I think October 19th. And then I'll post my link to my Whatnot, and you can go in and see what the shows are, and you can actually click to get a notification when it gets closer, and you can follow along and stuff like that. It would be fun to have people on, and I love chatting with you. The other one's in November, and that's going to be like a maker's raid train where it's all stuff that you make. So I'm going to just be probably next month making like crazy for Christmas, and putting stuff in there for sale. So yeah, lots of stuff going on. So, and that's for Whatnot. And like I said, down in the description box, I'll have all that stuff listed for you. I'll have Minerva's channel. I'll have my channel on Whatnot. And another one that I love is Mitchell May June Mel. She's just great. And I'll have her channel linked down there. I buy from her a lot, and we've gotten to be friends, and she's just awesome. And so is Minerva. So, and I'm sure, I mean, there's a ton of people on there. I know I know I click on to different people's things. I can't always buy, but I do like to sit and support. I'll share the live out, and I will also do the hearts, and I like to do support for my friends, even if I can't purchase things. I don't know. I need coffee, I think, because I am rambling and rambling. I wanted to share, I went to a recent sale, and the only footage I got were these two people putting in the candy cane blow molds that they purchased at the sale, and they were huge, and they were trying to fit them in that little car, whatever they had, and it was so funny to watch. They were taller than the both of them, and it was so funny to watch them pack that in there. They drove down the street and then turned around and came back by, and you could see these giant candy cane blow molds in the back. They got a great deal on them. I think they were $20 for the pair because it was a 50% off sale, so originally was $40. So what a great deal, but so funny to watch. Playing around after getting our booths restocked, we decided to put on some witch hats and have a picture to post on social media to get people to come into the shop, and we thought this would be pretty funny. I wanted to share this with you. Kind of a short little video today, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out some of my hauls that I have. I'll make sure to link it here. It'll be on your screen. Check it out if you haven't. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day.